Hi everyone, my name is Alison Cox and welcome to this week's tool to help you or assist you in creating an acoustic life that works for you. So what is an acoustic life? An acoustic life is a life that flows and generates, even if problems show up, even if there's roadblocks, you still have the choice and the capacity to change it. You can change anything. The first tool we'll be using today is interesting point of view. I have this point of view. So what is an interesting point of view and how can it change your life? Most people think that you have to have a point of view about everything and that in order to change anything, you have to align and agree with someone's point of view or resist and react to it. That couldn't be further from the truth. When you hear different points of view about different topics like relationships or business or money or viruses spreading across the land, you want to ask if that point of view is actually the point of view that would work for you. What if it's all just an interesting point of view? Any point of view that you take becomes your reality. So if you have the point of view that you need to work hard to make money, that is exactly what's going to show up. If you turn that into just an interesting point of view, I have that point of view. Interesting point of view, other people have that point of view. Then you have the power to change it. If you don't like that point of view, what point of view could you take that would change all of it? What if you could take the point of view like money flows in and out of me just like breathing oxygen, in and out without having to think about it? Or for relationships, if you have the point of view that you always attract a certain kind of person, what if you could say, interesting point of view, I have that point of view about that, and ask for someone totally brand new to show up? If I didn't have that point of view, who could show up I've never considered? If you feel depressed or tired or anxious, what if all of those thoughts, feelings, and emotions were just interesting point of views? So if you are feeling depressed or anxious or just like things aren't going quite right for you, I have a suggestion. You can repeat in your head, you don't have to say it out loud. You can repeat in your head, interesting point of view, I have this point of view, for every single thought, feeling, and emotion that comes up for you. After running this for 3 days, you'd be surprised how much peace and ease you have in your universe, in your body. The mind chatter can go away. You start to become a walking, talking meditation when everything is just an interesting point of view and you have total choice. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Alison Cox. I'm a certified Access Consciousness Facilitator, and you can find more tools, classes, and tips over at myacousticlife.com. We'll see you next time. Bye.